Hi everyone, my name is Heather Van Varenberg. I'm doing this for my class of Introduction to Communication. Um, it's about body languages and identifying what you believe the body languages that you're seeing are saying and how to interpret them and what kind of communication may be going on while using this type of body language. The first one I chose was clearly anger and rage. You don't have to hear their tones when you look at these pictures to understand that they are angry and they are infuriated, as what you can tell by the pictures. I believe in the first picture, the communication that more than likely is going on is not very positive. Seems like it would be very much negative communication. I don't know, maybe with two friends that are having an argument, two foes are having an argument, or maybe even strangers. Nowadays, it doesn't take much to set some people off, so this is definitely not a positive form of communication, what is going on in this first picture. The second picture is just a picture of a woman displaying her rage, what it feels like when she is that angry, when she is really losing it, is what I would say. All right, the next one I chose is happiness, pretty much. In the first picture, you can read the body language that this guy's laughing. He seems happy, as if someone has said something to make him laugh. Maybe he's on a date with someone. Maybe he's with a group of friends, or maybe he's watching TV and something funny came on. Whatever he's doing, he seems like he's enjoying himself and he's happy. In the second picture, I read that maybe this is a couple, even three people out enjoying their time out. They may or may not even know each other at all. I read that the lady up front is definitely having a good time. She seems as if she's dancing, possibly enjoying herself, laughing at someone, or maybe she's just that happy. She's really having a good time. Maybe she's singing. You can tell by the picture, the lady in the back and the gentleman in the back, they seem to be laughing and carrying on a positive conversation. It looks like really positive communication from what I can tell. This seems like somewhere where they are enjoying themselves, and from the looks of the picture, it's somewhere maybe one day I would like to visit, find out where this is. The next one I chose is sadness. So from looking at this first picture, I feel like this woman is going through a lot. The communication that she's given off is more than likely not very verbal. She is crying. She is very sad. She could be going through a lot in life. She could have lost a loved one. She could be in an abusive relationship. Lost her job. She could be depressed. And going through a really depressive state right now. There's many things that just by looking at this picture that you can depict. I would say it's coming across communicated very well, but I would say this is someone that probably needs someone's help, even if it's nothing but a few kind words to help them in the positive communication role. The second picture is of this cute little baby. You can see the tears up in his eyes, and you can tell by the frown on his face that he's very sad, possibly even having a little lip quivering going on. And babies at this age can't really communicate with their words. They can communicate with their body language, with their crying, with their outbursts. You can generally tell if a baby's in pain by the type of scream or holler that a baby lets out, or if it's hungry by the type. But just from body language, I would say this baby is very, very sad. It looks like maybe, from generally speaking, from one of my kids when they were this age, I would say this baby probably just got his hand popped and told no about something, and his feelings or her feelings is hurt. She seems very sad and tearful. And this last slide that I have, let's see. This is more of like a flirty. It looks like positive communication is going on definitely in both of these pictures. In the first pictures, it looks like It could be friends sitting there having a good conversation, one, kind of comforting or congratulating another by holding hands. It could be a couple that's been together for years. It could be a new relationship starting on a first date, or it could be for an anniversary for all that, we know. But it looks like positive communication. Both this man and woman both look very happy. Like I said, he's holding her hand. She has a smile. They look very comfortable and relaxed. This is definitely positive communication going on here. In the second picture, this looks like either someone that is at home cooking, with her apron on and having a conversation maybe with her significant other. Or it could be a workplace and someone has came in that she knows that she's very close with. I feel like they're a little too close to be strangers, because I don't feel like you would get that close with a stranger. So I do believe this is someone this person generally knows and is comfortable with. Definitely looks like a form of positive communication. They're both smiling. They're both relaxed. They both seem very happy and as if they're enjoying themselves. In both of these photos, all four of these people seem as if they are enjoying themselves. Well, thank you very much for listening to my spiel about my PowerPoint. That is all, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Have a great day.